Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet your own cozy and stylish leg warmers. They are perfect for chilly days, lounging at home, or adding a pop of color to any outfit. Without further ado, let's get started. I had some leftover yarn in different colors, so I decided to make these striped leg warmers using different colors, but feel free to use one solid color instead. They turned out to be 18 inches long and 4.5 inches wide. Don't worry if they seem a bit tight at first. The crochet stitch I used is stretchy and will adjust to your legs. To make these leg warmers, you'll need sport or DK yarn, about 250 yards. I used a cotton merino blend from Hobby in colors 39, 207, 16 and 30. 4mm crochet hook, tapestry needle, scissors, tape measure and a couple of stitch markers if you need. To begin, make a slip knot and chain 100. Skip the first chain from hook and insert a half double crochet slip stitch into the second chain. To do that, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, grab the yarn and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Pinch the base of the stitch with your fingers to help you push the last loop through the other 2. I will show you again. When you pull up a loop, keep it loose so it's easier to pass it through the other 2 loops. Continue this way until you have 11 chain remaining. Once you get 11 chains remaining, insert 1 single crochet into the next 5 chains. And 1 half double crochet into the next 6 chains. Your first row is done. To begin the next row, chain 1 and turn your work. You will now work into the back loop only, regardless of the stitch you are making. Start with 1 half double crochet back loop only into the first 6 stitches, which correspond to the 6 half double crochet of previous row. 1 single crochet back loop only into the next 5 stitches, which correspond to the 5 single crochet of previous row. And then continue with half double crochet slip stitch back loop only into each stitch across until the end of the row. My second row is done. Chain 1 and turn. Again, 1 half double crochet slip stitch back loop only into each stitch across until you reach the single crochet and half double crochet from previous row. If you are new to crochet, it might be helpful to place a stitch marker at the last single crochet and half double crochet stitches of each row. This will prevent confusion when working the next row. To complete the leg warmer, you need to repeat the pattern until you have worked a total of 57 rows. If you want to replicate the same color changes as I did, here is the order in which I changed colors. If you don't know how to change color seamlessly, here is a quick demonstration of how you can do it. I will demonstrate how to change colors when the last stitch is a half double crochet. To change color, yarn over, insert your hook into the last stitch, grab the yarn and pull up a loop. Drop the current yarn and cut a tail of around 6 inches. Grab the new color and, keeping a 6-inch tail, use it to close the stitch. Chain 1 and pull the 2 tails a little. I like to keep them inside my work for around 6 or 7 stitches when working the next row, positioning them behind the stitch I'm currently working into for added security. Later on, you can weave them in. You can use the same method to change color on the other side as well, when your last stitch is a half double crochet slip stitch. Simply change the color after you insert the hook into the stitch, but before yarning over and pulling up a loop. Once you have your 57 rows done, it's time to seam the side. To do that, choose one of the sides to be the wrong side of the work and keep it facing you. I like to keep the yarn tails on that side so I don't get confused. Fold the piece lengthwise and turn it so you have the last loop of your work on the other side of the panel. Enter into the first chain and grab that loop, pull it through and chain 1. Insert the hook into the next chain and into the corresponding stitch on the other side, so they match up. Slip stitch together, continuing to do so along the row until the end. After, we'll turn the leg warmer right side out for a clean and tidy appearance. Once you're done with your seam, cut a 9-inch long tail. Make a chain and pull the end through to create a small knot. Wave in all the ends. If you don't know how to do that, I leave you the link to a quick video where I explain that down below. It's in Italian with English subtitles. Turn the leg warmer right side out and repeat the same instructions to create another identical piece. And you are done! Leg warmers are versatile and stylish accessories in my opinion, and they can add a touch of warmth, texture and color to any outfit. They look great when worn over leggings or skinny jeans, but they can also be worn over tights to add a layer of warmth and texture. You can wear them with sneakers, boots or platform chunky shoes. I hope you like this tutorial. If yes, drop me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. If you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.